How to make miso soup? Most of people buying miso soup in sushi restaurants. Japanese people eating miso soup in the morning. This is good, vegan, full of probiotics hot soup. All what you really need is soybean paste. You can buy this in Asian store or in large supermarkets. You need to have also in your office bowl and spoon. You are taking just 1 teaspoon of miso paste and put to your bowl. Everybody have in office boiling water to making tea or coffee, but you can use boiling water to add to your bowl, and this is very easy to mix, and this is all what you need to make base of your wonderful miso soup. What is yet in miso soup? In miso soup usually is green onion. Then you have to bring to work fresh green onion, keeping in your fridge, cut like this, and add to your miso soup. What yet is usually in miso soup? Tofu, soft tofu. I'm taking from original box and keeping in glass container because I am using only a little, we don't need too much. And over we don't have to cut. Soft tofu is possible to easy take just by spoon, few pieces to your miso soup. Fantastic in the morning. In winter is very good. And my another secret of perfect miso soup. I am using germinated beans. I can make another movie about this only. There are lentils, germinated lentils, which are fantastic, super healthy, because after germination, enzymes in these beans or lentils became activated, and this is much more value. This is live food instead of dead food. This is something what still grow, and now I have just fantastic miso soup. Bon appetit!